I'm looking at Veracity's or VRA coins money flow, and I can see that it's slowly coming up. We can slowly see momentum coming up, and we have some momentum divergences, but we also have divergences to the downside. So the question is, what will happen now? This is the daily chart, and the last price predictions we've had on Verasity were really good. Obviously this video is no financial advice, but I'm gonna try to give you the best possibilities that I can see for Verasity coming up in the next few days. So Verasity has to pick a side, up or down, and this will be really dependent on whether it breaks the uptrend or the downtrend right here. Both of them are pretty close, and we're slowly moving towards them right now. So what I wanted to show you was, and I'm looking at the chart on Mexi because a lot of these coins are really traded on Mexi. They have good liquidity there. What I really want to see is a trigger wave, just like so, coming up, which we might get today. So today, right here, we might get a trigger wave, hopefully. So I'll write it as text: daily trigger wave green dot. So if we get that green dot, we will enter a nice beautiful trade to the upside from this exact level right here. As soon as view of this graphing curves up, we'll get a dot, just like we did here, and if we have a nice wave like this, we can have an uptrend for a week. Going on to the weekly chart is not looking too good, but it's also not looking bad. It's more bullish actually than bearish, even though this looks like a flag pattern for continuation to the downside because it's been dumping. I'm actually a little bit more bullish rather than bearish. In terms of liquidity zones, these are some liquidity zones that we want to draw from. So this is where a lot of stop losses will have their levels at. So we want to either take shorts here or longs here. Longs here will be very good because it also coincides with the daily trend line. So this is basically how I'll be trading Verasity. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description down below. We're up 274 grand on VOOX. Also, I discounted my course for a limited time for just 97 bucks. I'll be updating it this week. And every week I'll add new stuff. And also you can now claim a bunch of bonuses from BloFin. So use the link in the description down below to sign up for there. They are giving away a ROLEX, AIRPODs, Nintendo Switch, Apple Vision Pros, MacBook, and a bunch of other stuff. See you next video.